Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Park the Lexus within 3 to 5 feet of the garage door and turn the ignition to ACC. Confirm the handheld remote battery is fresh and hold it 1 to 3 inches from the home link buttons for reliable signal transfer. Locate the home link panel on the mirror or overhead console and identify the 3 programmable buttons. Decide which button you want to program. Keep the garage door opener motor in sight and the remote in your hand. This will make the next steps faster and reduce errors. Press and hold the chosen home link button and the remote button simultaneously for 20 to 30 seconds until the home link LED changes from slow to rapid blink. If the LED blinks rapidly, your system requires a rolling code handshake. Go to the garage motor, press the motor's Learn or Smart button, then return to the car. After pressing the motor Learn button, return to the car and press the programmed home link button twice within 30 seconds to complete the handshake. And if programming fails, clear home link by holding the 2 outer buttons for 20 seconds and then reattempt the sequence. Replace the remote battery or move the car within 3 to 5 feet if the signal does not register, and verify the LED response during each attempt. If your opener uses manufacturer security features like rolling codes or MyQ, press the motor Learn button and follow the garage motor instructions for compatibility. Repeat the programming steps as needed and consider consulting your Lexus owner manual or dealer for advanced models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.